Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to optimize CapCut settings for low-end, low-RAM laptops. First, launch CapCut. Move your cursor to the top right and click the gear icon. From the drop-down menu, click Settings. Look at the top tabs. Click directly on the Performance tab. Locate the dedicated Options section explicitly labeled Proxy. Click the checkbox right next to the word Proxy to turn the compression engine completely on. Move your eyes down to the encoding and decoding sections. Ensure all checkboxes for hardware encoding and hardware decoding are turned on to lift the processing strain off your weak processor. Now, move your cursor to the Draft or Project tab at the top layout row. Locate the section explicitly labeled Cache Size, and click the Delete icon to wipe out heavy background files that clog your hard drive. Move your cursor to the bottom right corner of the Settings block and click the Save button to lock in your system changes. Finally, open your project. Look at your Preview Player window on the right side of the main workspace interface. Click explicitly on the Playback Quality option icon in the lower right corner of that preview box. Click directly on the option labeled Medium or Low to instantly drop real-time rendering demands. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.